Morning everybody, happy Monday. So I just want to share with you a little bit of the beauty that I'm seeing this morning. Okay, so here's me, here's my bike, out for a ride. Look at this, look at this. I'm right in between the two Severn bridges on the banks of the River Severn, which is absolutely stunning. I'll show you again, look at the beauty. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, just wanted to share that with you because I love coming down here and I'm so blessed to have this near enough for me for a bike ride every morning. Aren't I a lucky boy? Take care and have a beautiful day everybody. Lots of love. See ya.